Eyewear is one of the most unique pieces of PPE, personal protective equipment. What makes it unique is there's no sizing to it. So to get around this, you need to offer multiple styles, which is what this display ultimately provides. In the world of gloves, you can do multiple sizes and you can spec in a very narrow amount of gloves for a project or for a certain application. But when it comes to eyewear, everyone's face is different. So you can't just take this specific frame style here and offer it in multiple sizes because it's still not going to address maybe some of the issues people have with a wider or a taller or a narrower face. That's why you need to offer maybe something like this that is more narrow, is smaller, but also something like this that might be a little bit bigger for users that need the extra space. Fitting safety eyewear isn't complicated, but you do need to be intentional about the eyewear that you select. Fitting your eyewear can be done with something as simple as a pen. Let's just make a selection here just to gather our baseline. We'll start with our NX1. You're gonna wanna be addressing any gaps in the eyewear, and I'm finding already that this is gonna be a little bit too big for me as I'm getting the pen in here. Again, being intentional, you need to try on eyewear to determine the fit. It's different than gloves, you can't just size up on the same style. You need to try a different style, figure out what's right for you. Let's try our MX250. So what I'm finding here is a much better fit, both on the top, sides, and bottom. So I would choose this selection right here as the personal protective equipment to me. Are you being properly protected by your safety eyewear? Reach out to Hex Armor, try out a few styles, and answer that question for yourself.